Okay, so we're gonna be making vegan biscuits today. So we're gonna start with buttermilk and 3/4 cups of non-dairy milk with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. To a bowl, add 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add in 1/2 cup of cubed vegan butter. Use a pastry blender or a fork to cut the butter into the flour mixture. Create a divot into the dry mix to add in your wet. Now reserve about 1 tablespoon of the buttermilk to glaze your biscuits with. Add in the remaining buttermilk and mix it up. Make sure not to overmix your dough. Place it onto a clean work surface and just kind of press it together, form it into a rough rectangular shape. Now roll out your dough and fold it onto itself. This is going to create really nice layers in your biscuits. Now roll it out again until it's about 3/4 of an inch high. Using a biscuit cutter, a glass, or a cookie cutter, cut out your biscuits. Set your biscuits aside, take the remaining dough, form it together, and roll it out to the same height. Cut out as many more biscuits as you can get. Place your biscuits onto a lined sheet tray and glaze them with buttermilk. Sprinkle on some flaky sea salt and place them in the oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. When they come out, they're going to be smelling so nice and they're going to be golden and delicious. And there you have a beautiful vegan biscuit recipe. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.